Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the environment. Open Studio and test in play mode so network behavior matches the live game. Once done, create a remote event in replicated storage called console event. This is the secure channel between clients and server. Next, add a simple starter GUI input frame with a text box and send button so you can issue commands from a player. Make sure the GUI only sends the raw command string. Avoid executing anything client-side for safety, because the server must validate everything. Now implement the core. On the server, connect console event. On server event and immediately validate the player who fired it. Then parse the text into a command and arguments, for example split on spaces into a table and lowercase the command name. Map commands to handler functions in a command table so you can add or remove features cleanly. Also enforce permissions, check player, user ID or group roles, and record every invocation to a server log so you can audit or roll back changes if something goes wrong. Finish by wiring feedback. When a handler runs, send a success or error message back to the client so the player sees results. Next, run extensive tests. Try empty arguments, malformed input, and simulate lag to ensure handlers fail safely. Deploy a small admin-only command set first and gradually expand. If something breaks, make sure you check 3 things in order: remote event path in replicated storage, server-side script runtime errors in output, and permission checks blocking the call. That single troubleshooting tip usually finds the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.